gorgeous hiking trails, amazing waterfalls and animals that are extinct in every other part of the world. Welcome to Udzungwa Mountains National Park in Tanzania. The Udzungwa Mountains are southeast of the capital, Dodoma. You can easily combine it with a few days in Mikumi National Park, which I will show you in the next video. To get there internationally, Dar es Salaam is the best airport. From there, I would recommend you to take the train to Morogoro. That takes about 2 hours. From there, it's a drive of about 2 hours to Mikumi, where you can overnight, or 4 hours directly to the Udzungwa Mountains.
The word Udzungwa derived from some tribe of Mohene, who are known as Udzungwa.
At the visitor center, the registration and payment is processed. In the meantime, we can get some information about the park. There's some bones of the animals you can find here, information on the walls about the importance of the ecosystem, and a 3D model of the whole Udzungwa Mountains. The gray-faced elephant shrew is only found here, and if you want, do a workout with some elephant bones. But now, let's finally hike. So today we are at Udzungwa Mountains National Park. That's about a 1.5 hour drive from Mikumi National Park, and there we're doing a short track of about 2 hours there, 2 hours back. The Sanje Waterfalls. So there's many different tracks that you can do here. So you can also stay here for a few days and go hiking for a few days. But we just do a day trip today, and we'll show you all about it. The hike starts in Sanje, a small village on the foot of the mountains. You can rent walking sticks here. The higher you go, the fewer the houses, and the wild forest takes over.
You know Estiara? Yeah, Estiara ni haraka haraka sana.
The weather is quite hot and humid around here, with temperatures of around 30 degrees Celsius in the afternoon.
All natural. Yeah.
These plants are psychoactive and help keep you awake longer, among other effects.
What? Is there other plants around?
There's some. This fella is a tree hyrax. Our guide also calls them tree elephants because they share a common ancestor with elephants.
That is clip shalifa.
And after about 1 hour and 15 minutes of hiking, we finally arrived at the viewpoint for the waterfalls. That's not the end of the hike yet. We will get right to the base of the waterfalls, but it's definitely an amazing view. Which kind of?
Yeah.
Of the camera.
Yeah.
And I just look at it. After enjoying the view, it's time to descend for a refreshing jump in the water.
This is the old iPhone 17 Pro Max.
Because you could communicate with it.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah, that would be for those local people for Udzungwa.
Yeah.
We are using that for communication.
That's great.
Yeah, so you can call it a oldie iPhone 17 Pro Max.
Why do you call
It's
it
nice.
Why do you call
The
it
most
iPhone?
expensive iPhone yet.
Yeah. Open it.
Waterfall base. Yeah, and then we're gonna go swim. Are you all excited? I hope so. On the hike down, we saw some black and white colobus monkeys.
Burger.
Hi. So we have arrived at the Sanje Waterfalls. Yeah. Now we're going down to jump from the bridge there. After hiking in 30 degrees for the last 2 hours, a jump in the water is so refreshing. They also have a little changing cabin down there, so make sure to bring your swimsuits. Double G Safari Camp, where we stayed at, packed us some nice lunchboxes, which we ate before hiking back. The hike back had something very special for us in store. We were able to see the Udzungwa Red Colobus Monkeys, which are nowhere to be found anywhere else in the world. If you're already in the area around Mikumi for a safari, you should also spend at least a day here. The vegetation is stunningly beautiful, the wildlife is truly unique, and the waterfall is breathtaking. It's the perfect way to get some variety from all the sitting in a safari jeep.